I even made it so I could stick to walls. Look at it. It might be trash, okay? But it's a game. First off, I wanted to make a snowboard game. A nice 3D game like SSX Tricky. You snowboard down the hill, you have fun, you do tricks. But this was my first go at it. Look, my computer started to die. You see it? You see it? You see it? You see how much fun it is?
Dog shit.
So now I thought, let's try a 2D game. But what type of 2D game would I do? I don't know. Something where you jump around and you shoot stuff. So I just started to go for it. This forced me to dabble in the world of pixel art. Very low res images that just, you use squares, man. Squares. So after a little bit of research, I made... Yep.
Oh, brother!
I call him Jumpy. I don't know, man. It's gonna be I wanted him to be a ninja, but it kind of turned out, bro. Pixel art is hard, man. Pixel art is just hard. So he shoots an arrow and he jumps around. Simple. He's gonna shoot arrows, and you'll see where I'm going. We input our guy into the game, but he just sits there. He has nothing going on. He doesn't know what to do. He's literally a dummy just standing there waiting to just wait forever. Like we all do in a sense, just wait for the next thing in life. And after our adolescence, our childhood of fun and happiness, we enter our adulthood. And then we work and work and work, and then we die. That's what he's going through right now. So to get our guy to be somewhat lifelike, we have to go around here, add a rigid body, add a 2D collider, and then just put a giant white block platform for him to stand on, and give that also a box collider. And this is what it looks like. Yep. Literally just stands there. So how do we get our guy to move, huh? Write a little bit of code, a simple switch statement here that checks for our input from our keyboard and just sees if we're going left and right. And then we got a simple thing to check whether or not the space bar is pressed down. And then we can finally move around. You can jump here. Oh, whoa. My jump's not working now. What's going on here? Let's just make ourselves a nice little stage here. Some blocks, just place them randomly to kind of make a cool little stage here for us to run around, And look at us. Look at us. And look at us go. Look at us jumping. I even made it so I could stick to walls. Look at that. And climb up walls. Now our guy doesn't move or isn't lifelike in any way, so I had to go in and make an animator, right? Basically, if you know nothing about 2D games, you basically just display an image over and over again, and it looks like the image is moving. That's what he does. Now look at him. Look at him. Now I want him to be able to shoot his arrow, right? So I had to go into Photopea and make another pixel art item, right? And then I just kind of made it the same length or the same size as the arrow of the actual pixel art of the character. Our guy, what did I call him? Jumpy? I think I called him Jumpy, right? And after making it its own entity, we had to go back into the script. If he's facing one way, shoot the arrow that way. Facing the other way, shoot the arrow that way, the other way. And if he's just standing there, I have to check which direction. And yep, now we're still moving, we're still jumping, but wait. He can shoot arrows and they delete when they hit the ground. So anytime they touch anything that has a box collider, we want to be able to delete the arrows. And that's how you can see, and that's how we're going to be able to save our computer from dying. And now I can just spam one moment. Yeah, now I can just spam arrows, right? And that's fine too. It's not like it would be kind of cool to make it so he has to go back around and pick his arrows up, but maybe that'd be another time. He has nothing to do, right? He just runs around, shoots his arrow, and then it disappears. And fine, Jumpy, we'll give you something to shoot, okay? So let's give him targets. He shoots the target, it blows up, he moves, it spawns somewhere else, and he runs up there, jumps up there really quick because it's jump arrow. I'm calling the game Jump Arrow, okay? Jeez.
Dog shit.
Okay, we gotta learn how to program. All right, that's what we do on this side, we program. So we must make another script right here. We have two different functions to just generate us a random number. And then on the inside, we write some garbage, because it is garbage, believe me. Essentially, when it triggers, we need to destroy the game object and destroy the box collider, then make it again, right? Give it another box collider, and then we need to give it a random location to spawn. Simple. And then here we need to check and see if it crashes into any of the other. Well, technically, this basically checks and sees if when we destroy the target, it doesn't spawn inside one of the platforms we made.
Look at Boucher.
And here's what it looks like. Jump arrow. Whoa, 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 why is it crashing? Why is it crashing, console? I see. Hold on. Okay, now that that's fixed, let's finally check the game again. So we can shoot our arrow. We can jump, right? Double jump only. And destroys. Now we have a scoreboard. Does it work? plus 10. 30. Okay, it's spawning multiple. How about we add some sound, bro? We'll make something for when the targets get hit. And we'll make something for just the overall stage. Maybe something like that. It's the target that just goes out. Okay, so now we got the sound added to the target. Let's see it. Okay. Can I hit the target? Look at that, man. We got functioning sound, bro. Climb up the wall here. Bro, that's too hot, bro. Come on, man, that's hot. Bro, come on, Flower Garden, go too dumb, man. Before we start, I want you guys to know that I did have AI planned for this, right? Like, I did have an enemy that was gonna chase us around. I thought it'd be more fun, but you see how dumb he is? Like, I used to have him jumping and all that, but bro, you guys gotta understand how hard it is to make something recognize, hey, I could jump on this platform. Hey, I could shoot at him now. Hey, I could shoot at him right here. Hey, I could, if I jump off of this wall, I get to, it's a lot harder than you realize. With that said, guys, the time has finally come. I made a video game, you know, I started with an idea. I made it happen. I made it blossom into this fine rose with thorns, tons of thorns, that being bugs and things that just don't work. But it's a very, very simple, fun game that everybody could play. If this was 1985, this game would have been top 10, at least top 10. But without further ado, the song's a banger too. I can't lie to you. I know. You know, I'm like a modern day Mozart or something. You know, I'm like, I only play the game. Hold on. I'm nervous. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
That shit is fucking trash.
It's kind of spacey, yo.
Oh,
Still a bug. I'm not fixing. Can I hit the target? Yes, that's it. That's the song. It's very simple, yo. Very simple, bro.
Dog shit.
Hold on, let's pause it. I didn't, because some people might have a question like, why does the arrows just shoot straight instead of like where I point at? Because that kind of be better. I mean, I could have had that happen. The reason I didn't like make it like that was, I don't know. I kind of pictured this like old school, like two people have a controller with buttons on it, you know, not like a PC game, you know. That seems like more PC game-ish. But the game is so hot, bro. My song is hot. If y'all say it's not hot, y'all hating on me.
Shit.
Let me point out a couple bugs in this game. Right now, there's an infinite jump, right? So if you wanted to, well, it's not an infinite jump, but you can kind of get a third or a fourth jump in if you just spam like this, you see? If you just keep doing that, he'll just keep jumping. You know? That's one thing. Another thing is not a bug, but the animations, like there should be like a jump animation and a run animation. Shoot, maybe even a climb animation where he like turns around. And another thing is there shouldn't be more than one target spawning at a time. A lot of times you get more than one target spawning. This is the first time I made something that's complete. Like it's not like it's no like start screen or anything, but it's a game, goddammit. It's a game. Anyway, man, I do crack